Good morning, traders, my students, and my subscribers. I greet you all. As I promised last night that I will cover some page this morning. Now it's 10:39 a.m. West African time. That's 10:39 GMT. Okay. I want to touch some USD page, and if time permits me, I will go further to touch other page. Yesterday, I touched some cryptocurrencies and the pound space. So if you want to trade and you like my analysis, you want to trade the pound space, go and watch yesterday's video. The video I posted around 12:30 a.m. anyway. It's still the same day because it was midnight in our time, but it's still 22 December, sorry, 22 February. Okay, so let me go straight to the business. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. So I'm expecting a further drop, at least to this place, for 1.18 area, 1.17, before the buying continues. It doesn't mean that it won't go up again. It can still go up a little before coming down, but I'm expecting a bigger A, B, C before buying continues. Let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours. So this is A, B, C, which can be a complete correction, but I'm looking for a double zigzag. So this can be a bigger wave A of a double ABC. So this can be a bigger wave A. So the wave B might have ended here, but from what's happening here will determine if it has ended or not. So the way I'm seeing it, I want to trade it as I want to take this as with 1, 2, 3 somewhere here, 4 somewhere here, 5 somewhere here. This count remains my main target, my main focus. This remains my main count, unless the market keeps going up and break this place. If it breaks this place, it means that this wave 4 did not end here, that it did expanding flat. Then this wave 4 will come down here, and wave 5 will move further up. But for now, this is my only count. What am I trying to do is that I will not buy Euro USD for now. Rather, I will wait for close. Either you sell from here or you sell from here. This is the best place to open a sell stop is here. Here is the best place to open a sell stop, but I would like to sell from here and put my stop loss here. The risk is smaller, but if the market comes and closes below here, I don't think it will still go up again without completing this very structure. So that's for Euro USD. Then go to 1 hour. Any need for 1 hour? I think no need, but let me check. And we can see that this drop is already strong, but the buyers are still pushing to know if they can push higher. So if it continues to go high, maybe this structure can be another. This is a corrective structure. this is an impulse, and this is corrective source. This is A, B, C. But in this type of market, you might get a bigger A, B. That is, you can get, this can be WXY. This is A. You can get another A, B, C, and yet it comes down. So we might get some kind of, you can get a move like this. You can get a move like this from here. Sorry. You can get a move like this from here. Something like this might happen. Then you can see it dropping. So that's why I would like to trade below here. But if we get a correction in this type of shape, then I will sell here, and the stop loss will still be here. So let's keep watching how the price develops in this area. It's very important. But if the market comes down and closes below this candle, I'm 90% sure it's a sell market for now. The real message here that I'm not looking for buy, at least for now. Before I look for buy, I want to see 1.19, 1.18, even 1.17. So let's go to another pair. Euro New Zealand. Let's go to daily. Euro New Zealand, we don't have much on this pair. The only thing I want to tell you on this pair is that this wave 5 is not over. I'm still looking for a further selling. I'm still looking for further downside. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours to see what we have there. So in 4 hours, my bias, please, whenever I don't label all these areas, please forgive me, I don't have time to label all these things, but nevertheless I will tell you the direction of the market. So when I have time I can label it, but for now I don't have the time to label. But what I want to tell you is that this market is still going down. It's still going down. So expect 1.64, 1.65, 1.63. So it keeps going down. I'm looking for sell. As a matter of fact, I'm looking to sell Euro NZD. So, but what I'm looking onto is what is happening here is what I'm trying to check. This is an impulse, and we are now correcting. We can have something like this. Can be A, B, C, or WXY. Don't be surprised if this pushes down here before coming up here, before selling. So the message is that as long as this level is consigned, I'm looking for sell. This correction can be deep. It can come up to this place before going down, but I'm not looking for buy, rather I'm looking for sell on Euro New Zealand. Let's go to the next Euro pair. We have Euro card. On Euro card, I'm expecting that this channel will continue to hold, maybe around here. My perception is that this channel will continue to hold something like A, B, C. Then we have a buy, maybe to this level or to this level. So let me show you something on daily. So this channel has been going on for a long time. This is August 2020. So the channel has been going on like this. So I expect a move. When the price comes down to this area, I expect a move up before the channel will eventually break. But if you break to the downside before it goes to the up side, but it may not come as low as I pointed out. It may just break it, come to this level, or come a bit lower than this level and go up. It may not come much to this level, but I expect it to go up, come down, break all this channel, then before going up finally. Let's check if we can trade it on 1 hour. Now you can see the 1 hour. You can see 1 hour. This sharp move looks like a buying candle, but the next two candles is somehow confusing. With what this current two candles are doing, these two candles, we may get this type of move. This type of move might happen either like this or like this, then it will go up. So because of this candle, I'd rather wait further to know how it develops. But the message is that the trade is still in this range. The trade is still in this range. This is the range that we hold the market for now. So this candle can move like this, and go up, or it can move like this before going up. So but what matters is that this range, this channel still holds the market until the market goes out of the channel. Nothing further to say on it. EUR chief. Network slow. Why? Okay, disconnect. Just wait some seconds. The network is just slow. It will catch up again. That is Nigeria for you. It is disrupting my work. I don't know if I will end it here or not. Just wait, let me set my network. Okay. I think it's back. Connected. Okay, it's back. Let's continue. So this is a weekly chart on Euro Chef. So I'm expecting a move to this level, but let me go to daily because the weekly is not what I'm looking at now. Okay, of course he's right. So I'm looking for buy entry. I'm looking for buy entry on daily candle, except this candle closes as a big pin bar. But if this candle closes above this very candle, I will look for buy. But the market can close above this, comes back here before going up. But the point is that I'm only looking for buy for now. I have not seen reason to sell. I can only see reason for buy on Euro chef. If you have a certain idea, you can sell, but for me, or this might be ABC complete structure, but what I'm thinking is that after this ABC, you might have something like this. You must have something like this, then up. So, but if it keeps going down, I will look for correction and sell. For now, I haven't seen reason to sell, but I'm waiting for reason to buy, which is more probably. So that's this is 1 hour. The 1 hour candle is big enough to give us correction. So because of this very big move on 1 hour, we can look for maybe DXY or ABC. So this very candle is a sign of reversal, but I cannot presume that the reversal has occurred until we get something out of, maybe we watch this box. What happens here will tell us if the reversal has occurred or not. Okay, before the next 10 minutes, this candle will be over on 1 hour. So when this candle closes, we check how it closes. If it closes below here, it might be a sign of that the selling will continue. But if the candle comes up maybe this place and close, or further place and close, then continue looking for buy. Remember, bigger time frame is telling us to buy. It's always good to consider bigger time frame before you trade. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, this is daily candle. Euro AUD is going down, it's going deeply down. The next place I expect it to have a stop is 1.47, 1.46. If it breaks here, it will come to 1.32. So I don't know. AUD is so strong against Euro, so I'm not looking for buy at all. I'm only looking for sell. So you can see this sharp move. I'm looking for correction, maybe ABC or WXY. Then I will sell. Anything below this place, is a sell for me. So I'm only looking for sell on I'm only looking for sell. This can be A, B, C. So maybe around 1.54, you must get a sell signal to set it up to sell down, further down. Euro JPY, I'm already in this. I entered the sell from here because I don't expect any go to 4 hours. I'm already in the sell. I entered the sell from here, but I don't expect it to go up and break here without coming down and breaking this low. So this, that is A, B, C. At least I expect it to break this low, if not further, before another buying. So this is my trade plan on this. This is how I want to trade this pair. Once the market breaks this yellow line, I'll shift my stop loss to break even, because I expect it to come down here. This is what I expect. So it's not a day trading or 2 days trading. It may be the whole of the week. But if market closes above this, below this place, or past this yellow line, I'll shift my stop loss to break even, and here is my take profit. So it's not how risky trade, because it will be going up, but at least I'm not the risky that my profit can be given up. That is, my profit can go back to the market, but I'm not lose, because I'm already in gain. So, but I want to get this target. This is my target on this. So you have seen it. I think this is the last pair I'm going to touch this morning. No JPY. Okay, let me go to DXY. This will be the last. Then I have to go somewhere to do something important as well. So on DXY, you remember last year, my forecast is that DXY, let me go to the daily. Last year, my forecast is that DXY will come to 93, 94 before it keeps going down. That was when the market was here. I said you have let me check the date. Yeah, September, of course, yeah. When this happened, I said that we're gonna have 93, 94 before we continue to sell. It has happened. Now this is a big sell. This very move is big. So I expected that we have another ABC, or a bigger ABC. Something like this has happened again. So what I'm expecting, that we might have another, that is a double of this, which may push the price to 93 again. But right now, what we have is selling. Let me go back to 4 hours. So what we have now, the market, from what I see in this box, we make a decision. But first of all, a close below this line, that is 90.12 or 13, is a sell for me. Why I want it to close below this line is that the market can decide to do double correction. Then this will be a bigger A, this will be a bigger B, and you can see it closing above this again. It happens all the time in the market. When you think that the movement is over, it will continue to go in that direction. But what I want to say is that if you count this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A. Let me label it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is an A or W wave. Then B is always three waves, but sometimes it will do a single wave. But if you go to the lower time frame, you will see the 3 waves. Like if you go to 2 hours or 1 hour, you can see 3 waves here. So maybe either that this A, B, C is either we get So this is wave A, a bigger wave A. Okay, let me take this to WXY. Oh. W X Y. So now this wave, a bigger wave A, wave B is either here or here. Then we are looking for wave C further down. Now if wave B has ended here, then expect the market to continue going down within this box. But if you see the market pushing up strongly, expect the wave B to be here. Are you getting me? So that is, this WXY might not be necessary. But if the market keeps going up, you know that wave B is not yet over. All these things we've taught you in details. If you join our students class, that's what I tell you to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There we teach from time to time for free. And if you want to learn everything we know, then you join the students class. We only take little money from you. The money you can lose in a week if you're not taking. The money you can lose in a single trade. Pay it to learn. So I'm looking for sell, but I either wait for it to close below here, because if it's closed below here, I would expect this up move again. But since it hasn't closed below here, this up move can still happen. Okay, that's all for today. Trade with care, don't overtrade. Remember to use stop loss, money management. Let your loss size be correspond to your equity. Don't try to make all the money in one trade. You may end up losing all. But if you know how to trade, you will trade and accumulate gradually. Over time you make a big money. God bless you all. Trade with care. Bye.